and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Normally I don't look like this in my videos, but today we are doing a hairstyling video featuring JOHN FREIDA Frizz Ease, because let me tell you, your girl's got frizzy hair. And specifically, I'm going to be talking about 3 products from their curly hairline, and I want to give a big shout out to them for sending me these. I am not being paid to give you my opinion. These are my honest opinions. And if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I absolutely love JOHN FREIDA. I've talked about their heat styling line, I've talked about their shampoos, and now I'm going to be talking about their curly hair products. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, I'll have them linked down below. If you guys have really curly hair and frizzy hair, I highly recommend checking these products out. So now that I've gone on, let's jump into the video. First up, we have the Frizz Ease Curl Reviver Mousse. This product restores bounce and definition to natural curls. All you're going to want to do is shake the can well, turn it upside down, dispense a small amount of it into the palm of your hand, and then distribute it evenly throughout your damp hair. With this, I like to flip my hair upside down, apply the mousse, and then start scrunching my hair. I love the look that this gives when your hair is dry. I interrupt today's video to do some ASMR. Now back to the video. So these are my curls on day 2. As you guys can see, my curls still look pretty bomb, but I am gonna go ahead and use the Dream Curls Daily Styling Spray just to give them a little bit of a boost. And for this, all I do is spray it on my hair and then scrunch my hair up again. The curls on the inside of my hair definitely tend to fall out sooner than the ones on the outside. And also the bottoms don't hold a curl, which really irritates me. But these are just what my curls look like. And then lastly, to hold the curls, my personal preference is the Frizz Ease Moisture Barrier Firm Hold Hairspray, and this is a 24-hour hold hairspray, which is also humidity resistant, which is what I need. So that is what I've been using for my super frizzy curly hair, and let me tell you, up here in Maine, it is so humid right now. I wouldn't necessarily say we're having like a hot summer because there's been a lot of rain and it's been kind of chilly some days, but it is humid here year-round, and these products are already coming in super handy. So if you're a girl like me or a guy who has super curly, super frizzy hair, I highly recommend checking these 3 products out because they are my go-tos now, and I don't think I can live without them. If you guys like this video and would like to see more hair related videos, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!